Good morning. I'm deep in the woods. It's like, I don't know, I'm 20 miles down a dirt road. Got to take a couple rights, you got to take a couple lefts up here in the Pacific Northwest. And I'm going to take you to a waterfall that is just awesome. And I rarely ever see anybody out here. That's one great thing about hiking during the week. You rarely see anybody. Yesterday I hiked Mount Pilchuck and I had the lookout all to myself. And that rarely happens, even during the week. But I'll be up here most of the summer, and then I'll be headed to North Dakota the beginning of September to do the sugar beet harvest. So I'll probably meet up with my dad and we'll go to Glacier National Park or Yellowstone again. We'll be doing something together. I love this waterfall. I try to do it once a year when I'm up here in the Pacific Northwest. It's a good one. And it's not too far away. And you rarely ever see anybody out here. My favorite part. Nothing but solitude. Take orange juice. Pack's ready. Got my keys. Make sure the van's locked up. Take a banana. All right, let's do this. We're getting close. See how the trail's all overgrown? You rarely ever see anybody here. There it is down there. But I'm telling you, dude, it's awesome. It's so beautiful out here. Just green. It's going to get loud, and I don't have a microphone or anything like that. I just have my phone. Check this bad boy out. Hold on just a second. It's slippery up here. But boom! Pretty awesome, man.